How can I replace, or strip, an extension from a file name in Python? Is there a built-in function in Python that would replace, or remove, whatever, the extension of a file name, if it has one? Example. In my example, /home/user/sumfile.txt would become /home/user/sumfile.jpg. I don't know if it matters, but I need this for a scons module I'm writing. So perhaps there is some scons specific function I can use. I'd like something clean. Doing a simple string replacement of all occurrences of .text within the string is obviously not clean. This would fail if my file name is sumfile.text.text.text.
Try os.path.splittext. It should do what you want.
Expanding on Annapurna's answer, how to remove an extension using pathlib, Python is greater than or equal to 3.4.
As at Jethro said, splittext is the neat way to do it. But in this case, it's pretty easy to split it yourself, since the extension must be the part of the file name coming after the final period. The resplit tells Python to perform the string split starting from the right of the string, and the one says to perform at most one split, so that for example foo.bar.baz, foo.bar, baz. Since resplit will always return a non-empty array, we may safely index 0 into it to get the file name minus the extension.
I prefer the following one-liner approach using str.resplit. Example.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.